Every time you attend a conference or a meeting with your group, there's always somehow a discussion about how to improve learning. And the term oftentimes used is hacking learning. Hacking means is trying to cut the rules, trying to change the method so it becomes faster, cheaper, or even more interesting and effective for the learning within the work situation. I think that the biggest hack that we begin to really see is what I call self-learning. Now, let me elaborate on that. What does it mean, self-learning? The learner is actually deciding what goals to learn. The learner is trying to understand what resources he would need or she would need, and the learner would know when to ask for help. So, fundamentally, learning is done by the learner with these questions in his or her mind. So, we tried an experiment. In a large software company, I was invited to come up with a design with the program, and we tried to develop two groups. Group A was attending a class which says this is a software upgrade, these are the principles, these are the part of the software, these are some of the areas you need to do to configure the software, and now let's see what you can do in order to have a discussion around it. So it's like a whole day process for a software server upgrade. That's group number one. Group number two, what we did was we told the group, by the way, there's a software upgrade. These are all the documentation. We would like you to figure out the following things. Number two, what's the value and the impact of the upgrade? Number three, figure it out. How are you going to upgrade or how do you implement the upgrade? So guess what happened? Two different groups, Group A and Group B, or Group 1 and Group 2. Group 1, of course, started to listen. After, by the end of the day, they get bored. Nobody's paying attention. They're learning a little bit as we move forward. Group 1 was very organized, methodical, because the trainer can stand up and they can take a test by the end of it. Group 2 or Group B was quite interesting. Disorganized, chaotic, but they were working with each other. They were actually solving problems. They were exchanging ideas. They're bringing in different perspectives and understanding better the different things that can happen. At the end of the session, the trainer had more questions about how to upgrade the software from Group B or Group 2. In Group 1, it's completely passive. Reflect on that. I think if we want to hack learning, we need to go back to the learner and tell the learner, this is the problem, this is the situation, go solve it. Because then it's the fastest way. They know the goals, they know the problems, they know the situation, they know how to fix it. We need to trust the learner that they can actually hack learning by themselves. Think about it.